Hello friends, today I will show you how to manage forms under Microsoft Forms in Office 365. So I have seen a lot of issues with the people, they are creating the forms but they don't know how to manage it because as per the current architecture, Microsoft Forms doesn't give you an option to create folders. Generally we have a tradition to create a folder and keep the things organized in a folders way for respective topics or customers or any kind of surveys or feedback or quiz we are conducting for any topic. So we are creating folders and saving it. But Microsoft Form doesn't give you an option to create a folders. So with that option not available, the major challenge is how to look for the respective form, how to find the form. So those challenges are always available and these are the practical challenges. So I will show you my setup. So for example, I have this setup available where I have forms created like this. You can see the number of forms I have, and if I have to organize the form or I have to find the form, it's very difficult. Okay, so the best would be I can minimize this just to show you number of forms. I created it for sample and to create this video for education purpose. And if I increase this just to give you like how we can use the organization of these forms. So, for example, I have some form which is related to infrastructure requirement of customer A, then IT equipment requirement, IT equipment survey kind of thing. Then I have something in the regional language. I have something for exam feedback. I have something from Grahak and survey kind of thing. I have different things. Okay, so there are some customer name A and B. So if I had a option available for creating a folders, I would have created folder for customer A, customer B, then I can keep it under customer A, all the customer A related forms. But as it is not available, so the best option which I could find to organize the form is let it be there in this way where we have a lot of things. But whenever you are coming to the MS forms, you need to search for the respective thing. So here we have a search option, and this hide template you can hide or you can show, and now you get more space, and here you can search for the title or anything whatever is available on the title of forms. So for example, I have something here for customer A. So I will mention customer, then I can see what all forms are having customer. Then if I mention customer A, I can see the customer A and wherever they have customer A. Okay. So with this, I can at least sort it out to some numbers. And for example, if I have to create a nomenclature rules, for example, if it is customer A, I can mention customer minus A. It is not there, but if it is there in customer minus A, let's say I open this form, which I can give it a customer minus A nomenclature, then it would be easy for me to find out these form. Now, if I write customer minus A, then I can find, okay, here is the customer. I can easily go to this one. Now, if it comes to the regional language, or let's say if I have to find out math, so I can see wherever I have math subject. If I have to find Hindi, I can just write it here Hindi and see what all options are coming with Hindi. So these are the forms I have it for Hindi. This also works for the regional language. For example, I am changing my keyboard to Hindi and I will write it Hindi here, and I can see there are different forms for Hindi. Okay, and somewhere if I have to use survey, I can see the survey is in English, but the moment I move it to Hindi, I need to, okay, it's survey. I can find it a survey. Okay, so like that we can organize our form, and the organization we need to do is we have to organize the nomenclature. So if I am able to give the nomenclature correct, that means I would be in a best position. And same thing you have to do it for the folders also. If there are option available for folder, you have to create the respective folder, and within the folder you will again get the number of forms. Then again you have to create it or find it in the folder respectively. But here the best option is if I give equipment, I can find wherever we have equipments. And the same way, if I would have given this name correctly, for example, I cut it from here and sorry, I will just cut it here, paste it here. And if I say customer A, I cut and give it to beginning. And if I write customer A, so I have to just manage the nomenclature rules. And now if I come back and search for customer A, okay, then I can, okay, so this is a keyboard. I will just move it to English. And if I mention here customer minus A, then I can see. So this is how I can manage it. Okay. And next, if I say infra, I will find it this. If I say nothing, then I will find this. So this is the way we can organize our forms, and that is the only way possible. Some peoples are recommending, okay, you can, whatever forms you don't require, you just move it to trash folder. Okay. So I have already sent some forms in trash, but the problem is if your trash is full, then you have no option available within the trash to search the form. So better I would suggest is you delete it permanently, or whatever is there in the recycle bin, it means you have deleted it. But to just for the sake of sending the forms or clearing their my forms view with the unwanted form, don't put it in recycle bin, because in some time if you just by mistake click on the empty recycle bin, that means your forms are gone. It will not be reverted. Okay, that will be permanently deleted. So better you keep it like that only. And based on that, you can just change the nomenclature rules whatever way you want. And that way you would be able to organize your forms in a better way. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. And thank you very much for watching this video.